Good morning, y'all. Welcome back to Southernly Seasoned. So to get started, here are the items you'll need. Depending on how many pieces of French toast you would like to cook, you can, use as many pieces of bread as you would like. You would just want to increase the amount of ingredients you use. So again, we have our regular milk, butter, or your margarine. We do have regular butter, but since it's just breakfast, I'm going to use the Blue Bonnet margarine this morning. Your vanilla extract, you will want to use some of that. Your salt, your brown sugar. Of course, you need your eggs and your bread. And then I have my bowl with my whisk. So I am going to crack my eggs into our bowl here. We get a paper towel. Put my eggs on. Some people use 4 eggs. I typically use 5 just so that I know I'll have enough eggs for my toast. And then before adding my other ingredients, I hope everyone is doing okay out there, staying safe, staying home, just making sure you stay quarantined, even if you're not sick, to avoid getting sick. Just try to stay as safe as possible. Try to limit your amount of times of going out to the grocery store or any other store. I know in a lot of states, these non-essential stores are closed per se. So, I just want everybody to stay safe and be able to enjoy life even after this pandemic is all over. And for those who have lost ones to this COVID-19 pandemic, you are definitely in our prayers. So the next thing we want to do is to add our vanilla extract, and we're going to add 2 tablespoons of this. We're going to add our milk. So let's do that here. And we're going to whisk these things all together. And then I'm going to add a pinch of salt. Just a pinch. And then I'll add this brown sugar. You don't want a lot of brown sugar. You just want to give it some type of sweetness. And so I'll do just a tablespoon of brown sugar. So that's all of my ingredients that I'll need to use there. We'll whisk all of this together. So we're going to heat our pan. On medium heat. Add my margarine to my pan. Dip our bread. And you want to make sure it is fully coated on both sides. You want to cook it on both sides for about 2 minutes. French toast doesn't take long to cook at all. You just want to make sure it's brown on, a golden brown on both sides. Okay, let's check this out. Oh yeah, that looks good. Looks good. We're cooking with grease now. Okay. And so you continue to do this for the remainder of your slices of bread, your toast. And I'll be back to show you the finished product. So good people, here is our finished product. I'll be adding my Mrs. Butterworth's original syrup to it. But looking pretty good for early Saturday morning breakfast. So thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed this vlog. I look forward to making more on our Southernly Seasoned channel, and I hope you like it. If you haven't already, please subscribe. And also remember to share. We want other people to join our family. So again, thank you so much. And I hope everybody stay safe, stay home, and see you next time.